Hello, my dearest children and my dearest parents. Okay, so in my last class, we have seen about some two-letter words, isn't it? And and also I have told you next class is going to be with the sentences. From the sentences we are going to make some story, isn't it? Okay, so today I have bring up some story. Okay, so using the two-letter words, what are we have read already. Okay, what are the words we have read already? Two-letter word like at, am, app, isn't it? Egg. So these are the two-letter, some of the two-letter words. So from those two-letter words we have constructed the three-letter words. From the three-letter words and also with the help of some frequently coming words, I have bring up some beautiful sentences with the story. Okay, with the story. Okay, shall we move to the board, children? Okay, see here. P-E-G-G-Y. Peggy. Okay, so already we had a scene about the E-G word, isn't it? E-G word. What is the sound of E? E sounds A. What is the G sounds? G sounds G. Egg. So P sounds P. Pa-egg. Peggy. Peggy. Okay, T-H-E, the. We have seen already in the frequency coming words, isn't it, children? T-H-E, the. R-E-D, red, red, isn't it? What is the sound of R? R sounds R. E sounds A. D sounds D. Red, red. Hen. Already we have seen about the E-N, isn't it? What is the sound of E-N? N. What is the sound of H? H. Hen. Hen. Peggy the red hen. Peggy the red hen. What they are telling? There is a red hen. What is the name? The name of the red hen is Peggy. Peggy the red hen. Red hen, not a red. Red hen. Okay, so R-E-A-D, read. A-L-O-U-D, aloud. Yes, today also we are going to make the home with a full of a noisy, isn't it? Okay, so I'm just moving to these sentences. Okay, see here. Pa-eggy. Pa, E-G. What is the sound of E-G? Egg. Egg. Pa, egg, E. Peggy. I-S. What is that? I-S. Is. I-S is year. Year. So you should not say ye. You should not say. If the ye is comes on the sentence means you should not say ye. What is the sound of ye? Ye sounds a. So you should say a red. 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 So already we have seen the two-letter word already. Egg, yed, hen. So already we have seen the two-letter words, isn't it, children? So from the two-letter word only I have constructed I have bring up some of the sentences. Okay. Peggy is a red. Peggy is a red. So Peggy is a red. What is the meaning? So Peggy is a red, isn't it? Peggy, what? Who is a Peggy? Peggy is a hen. The hen looks like a, what is the color of the Peggy? Yes, the red. So that's only they are telling in this first sentences. Peggy is a red. Peggy is a red. So next sentence, what is that? P-E-G-G-Y. P-E-G-G-Y. What is that? Yes. Pa-eggy. Peggy. Peggy. T-H-E. What is the T-H-E? T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Peggy, the red. Red. What is this? What is the picture I have pasted here? What is the picture they given? Hen, very good. Hen. So instead of writing, they have given the picture. Instead of writing the spelling of hen, they have pasted. They are given the picture of the hen. So you want to read it as a hen, isn't it? Peggy, the red hen has. What is the sound of as? As sounds a is. As sound a. You see here, a yes. As sounds a is as. If I put h, what is the sound of h? H sounds ha. Ha as has. Ha as has. Okay. So has. What is the number you given? 10. Very good. What is the number they given? 10. Can anybody know what is the spelling for the 10? T. T. What is the sound you are getting? What is the which letter sound you are getting? T. Very good. T. T. N. N. What is the two letter word we have seen? Hen. Yen. Very good. E. Yen. E. Yen. T. N. 10. Chicks. C. H. I. C. K. S. Chicks. Chicks. Okay. Peggy, the red hen, has 10 chicks. So what is the meaning? The hen, there is a Peggy as a red hen. It has how many chicks? 10 chicks. How many chicks? 10 chicks. What does mean by chicks? Chicks means small hen is called as a chicks. The baby hens are called as a chicks. See here. Say they given a baby hen, isn't it? So this is a Peggy. Peggy, the red hen. The red hen has a how many chicks? 10 chicks. What does mean by chicks? Chicks means baby hen is called as a chicks. Okay, whose baby hen is this? Peggy. Peggy is a red hen. The Peggy is a red hen. That chicks is these chicks are. Okay. So the whose chicks is this? The Peggy chicks is this. Okay. So what does mean by chicks? Chicks means baby hen is called as a chicks. What is meaning for chicks? Chick means baby hen is called as a chicks. Very good. So I'm moving to the third line. T-H-E. What does mean by T-H-E? T-H-E. The. Very good. T-H-E. The. What is this? What is the number? 10. Okay. 10. What is the spelling for 10? T-N-E-N-N. 10. The 10 chicks. Chicks. So if the last they've given a yes to any word means we want to say along with the S sound. Chicks. For example, see here. Car. C-A-R, car. If I put S at the end of the word, you should say along with the S sound. Cars. Cars. Okay, for example, bike. This is a bike. If I put S to the last, then it will become a bikes. Bikes. Okay, if the last word is yes, you should be pronounce a word along with the yes sound. Okay, so chicks. Chicks. A-R-E. A-R-E. R. R. What is the sound of A? A sounds A. R sounds R. E sounds A. R. R. Okay. In some English word, we cannot fully satisfy the phonic sound. Some word doesn't incorporate the phonic sound full-fledgedly, like a hen, Peggy, red. So these are the English words which have a full of phonics words. These are the some words are. So in this word, we should not pronounce full letters. We should not pronounce a sound of the each and every letter. We should pronounce only the R. R. That's it enough. Okay. A-R-E, R. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. So what is the yellow? Yellow is a color. So the chicks looks like a yellow. So they are telling the T-H-E, the 10 C-H-I-C-K-S. Chicks. Chicks. A-R-E-R Yellow. 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 The 10 chicks are yellow in colors. Okay, so the Peggy hens are, the Peggy chicks are, what's the chick's color? Yellow in color. Okay, so yellow, when I take yellow, what are the things which are looks like in a yellow color? Can you tell me some example? Yes, the suns looks like a yellow in color. Okay, so any other just looks like an yellow color? Yes, sunflower. Yes, the sunflower looks like a yellow in color. School bus looks like a yellow in color, isn't it? So there are many things which has in yellow color. Okay, so a three-wheeler vehicle which is in yellow in color. What is the vehicle name? Auto. So auto is in a yellow in color. The 10 chicks are yellow. The 10 chicks are yellow. Okay, so if I said yellow for an auto, so if you are in any other state, the color may be vary. Okay, just I'm moving to the next line, children. T-H-E-Y. T-H-E-Y, they. T-H-E-Y, they. So what does mean by they? Means you are just pointing out your hands and telling, for example, you are walking in a ground. Just assume you are walking in a ground, isn't it? So there are some people who are playing any game like a cricket, football, anything. So they are just playing. You are just showing to somebody they are playing. You are pointing out and you are saying they are. So they are in a distance. They are not very close to you. They are in some distance. You are pointing out them and saying they are playing. So that is a they. You are showing they. They means those who are in a distance. It is called, you should, if you want to refer those who are in a distance, means you use the word, you can use the word they. So where we want to use the word they, if somebody means more than one person. Okay, it's more than one person, isn't it? So if the more than one person were in some distance, means if you want to refer them, if you want to tell about them, you should say they. You should say they. So where you want to use? You want to use they in a plural form. What is meant by plural? What is meant by plural? More than one is called as a plural. Okay, for example, car is a singular. If the more than one car, then it will become a plural. Cars. So same, like if some more than one people were sitting or playing anything they are doing, means if you want to show them, so you can refer them, you can show them pointing out your hands, like you will say no, so see them, you should use your finger to point out them. So you just pointing out them and saying they. You should say they. You can understand. I hope it. Okay. They. Yes. L-E-E-P. Sleep. Yes. L-E-E-P. Sleep. O-N. Odd. They sleep. What does mean by sleep? Sleep means you're going to the bed and closing your eyes and start sleeping, isn't it? You all know what is meant by sleep. Okay. Sleep. O-N. On. Yeah. What is this? What is this? They're sleeping in. Can you anyone able to tell about this? They're sleeping on the. You can say a nest. We can just take it as a bed, because why I am taking here as a bed means, because we have read already ed word, so that I have taken the word bed. Okay, so I have not the particular thing is a bed or not. You can say as a nest. Okay, you can say anything. So but I have taken here as a bed because we have already read the ed word, isn't it? So only I have taken the bed. Beds. Actually chick's bed is that, isn't it? Bed. So what they are telling, they sleep on a bed. So where they sleep? The chicks are sleep on the bed. So what does mean by on? Where we want to use the on? The on is top. So they are sleeping under the bed or top of the bed. Yes, they are sleeping in the top of the bed. So if the top of the bed means you want to use the word on the bed. Okay, so I'm just moving to the next sentence. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. What is this? What the picture we have named already? Bed. Very good. So I'm just writing here B-E-D. Bed. 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 I-S. What is the sound of I-S? Yes. Yes. A-L-S-O. Also. A-L-S-O. Also. What is this? Y-E-L-L-O-W. What is this? Yellow. The bed is also yellow. What is it telling? The bed is also yellow in colors. The chicks are also in yellow color and the bed is also in a yellow color. So where you want to use the also, and what is the meaning for also? So the also meaning means it is. For example, they are saying the chicks is yellow color. Same like if the another is have, we can say the word also. For example, see here, the chicks is also yellow color, the bed is yellow color. So they are same. So if you want to tell as like a chicks, the bed is also. So you are just telling it is similar to thing. It is same as this thing. Okay, so if you want to refer the same thing, you can use a word also. Okay, so also yellow. Okay, so next word T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. What is this? Okay, we can say hen. We can say, what is the hen's name here? Yes, the hen's name is Peggy. The hen's name is Peggy. You can use any word here. You can say hen or you can say Peggy. Okay, so the Peggy has. Already I have told you. A is as. What is the sound of H? Ha. Has a bell. What is mean by bell? Yes, did you all see the bell? Did you saw the bell anywhere? Yes, in a temple you have saw the bell. In our puja room we saw the bell, isn't it? Our mother used to bell it, isn't it? In a school also we have a bell. When there is a no power, they use a bell to rang it, isn't it, children? Okay. T-H-E, the Peggy has a bell. What does it mean by has? It have something is called, that is the meaning. Okay, what it has a bell. What it has a bell. The Peggy has a bell. So what is the full story they're telling? There is a hen. What color hen? Red color hen. What is the name of the red color hen? Peggy. The Peggy has 10 chicks. What is meant by chicks? Baby hen is called as a chicks, isn't it? Who's having a 10 chicks? The Peggy, the red hen having a how many chicks? 10 chicks. Very good. The chicks are dash in color. The 10 chicks are, yes, how many chicks? 10 chicks. The how many chicks? 10 chicks. Okay. The 10 chicks are what's in color? Yellow in color. Where they used to sleep? They sleep on a bed. Very good. They sleep on the bed. The bed is also what in color? Same, yellow in color. Next, the Peggy, the hen. What is have it? It has a bell. It has, see here the picture. It have a bell. Okay. So now we are going to see about some sight words. Some sight words. What does the sight words mean? The words which help to make to get the full sentence, the words which help us to connect the two or more words. Okay, wow. So without these sight words, we cannot make sentences. Okay, so what are the sight words we have seen in story 1 means A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all means all of them together. Okay, all of them. We all Indians. That is what is the meaning, that we all Indians means we are together, isn't it? All means everybody. All means everybody, isn't it? A-L-L, all. Next, A-R-E-R. R. You should say only R. You should not say R. No. R. A-R-E-R. Next, T-H-E-Y, they. T-H-E-Y, they. So we have a connection between the word are and they. Okay, it is, if I have told you, it will be difficult, but I will explain you. If you feel difficult, you just leave it. Okay, so what is the connection between are and they means, what is the meaning for they? Yes, if somebody, more than one person is, they are any action is doing in a some distance, they have a some distance between they and us, them and us is called as a they. You used to refer as a they. So they. So they are, if a more than one person, you want to use are, you should not use is. If a one person, you can use a is. He is a good boy. So more than one person means you can use it, they are good boys. Okay, well, if you have more than one person, you use they. For the they, there is a word. What is a word you come along with? Are. Okay, so if you not get understand, you just omit it, because it is not a thing to explain for the kids. Okay, so those who are watching, the parents, they will watch it for their view. I am just explaining the connection between the word are and they. Okay, children.